Abby, working on the clutch today. Had a couple little setbacks. This is a shouldered bolt. See that spot right there? It's called a shoulder. And there's a hole. And when they resurfaced it, it wouldn't go in right. So I kept thinking I had the wrong bolts. All they do was, with the chamfer, whatever you call that, do that out. And then these ARP bolts. So I had to sort through that, had a problem, used shoulder bolts that were threaded all the way, and finally figured it out. I got a clutch kit, and it jams right there. And I beat it on with a hammer, and it just sticks. This is the Chinese clutch kit. So we got a Hayes. Spent a lot more money, and that's how it's supposed to fit. Easy peasy, that's the way it's supposed to be. I ordered the Hayes, got online. It read like it was made in USA, and the picture had 6. You know what? My old disc, the old set. This has 6 springs. It says made in USA right on it. And it's always slid right on. You know, I knew I didn't have a spline problem. So the cheap Chinese, I think it's made by Luke's or Saks. It's going back to our buddies at O'Reilly's. Power torque. It didn't do me good. I wasted a lot of time. So back to the Hayes. It read made in USA, heavy duty, good up to 600 horsepower, but you know, so it read good. And it's not brutal on the clutch pedal. It's still a diaphragm type. It's not a racing clutch, but it's a street strip type. So I sure was misled. As soon as I take the box out, made in China. But thank the Lord, the clutch disc fits the way it's supposed to. So